Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few different ways to restart your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's get started. First, locate these buttons on your iPhone: the volume up button, the volume down button, and the side button. Now follow the steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. Just like that. You can see I will show you again. Just press and release and hold it the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button, your iPhone will restart. Once the if it doesn't work the first time, try again. The key is to press the volume buttons quickly before holding the side button. Then if Siri is enabled, you can restart your iPhone with a voice command. Just say, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone." Siri will ask for a confirmation. Simple say yes and your iPhone will restart. This method is useful if your buttons aren't working or if the screen is unresponsive. And that's it. Those are two ways to restart your iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.